Part 2 of going through Santa Maria Novella's Discovery Kit, and a bit of Havana, so we have 3 more perfumes to go. Next one is Melograno, a spicy floral. This fragrance is very heady. Built around a pomegranate accord, it opens with bitter orange, fresh spices, paired with rose, ylang ylang, oak moss, patchouli, and musk. A louder one from the collection that is very floral and soapy. Here in Havana, just in time for lunch. And we were lucky enough to dine with a live Cuban band. Next on the list is Tabacco Toscano, a beautiful woody and leathery fragrance. It features Tuscan tobacco leaves mixed with leather, amber, birchwood, cedar, guaiac, sandalwood, musk, and vanilla for a bit of sweetness. This one feels like a friendly hug. Interestingly, Cuba is known for its tobacco leaves. You can buy some of the best cigars in the world here for a fraction of the price. I did pick up a few Cohibas and Montecristos. We stopped for an epic ride with some of the old cars that are here. It's kind of a must here when you're in Havana. But circling back to Tabacco Toscano, I think it's one of my favorites in the whole collection, and I believe it's a favorite for many. Last but not least, we have Potpourri. This one is an aromatic fragrance, very herbal, very medicinal. Oh, and we're back at our hotel. It's a blend of spices with a very camphorous feeling, mostly coming from the lavender and rosemary. Definitely not a floral potpourri. And that's it. Like and follow for more scent discoveries.